Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about Clickbank affiliate marketing training for beginners. And if this is your first time to the channel, this is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home. And I do a lot of product reviews to let you know what products I believe are good and which ones are not, as far as allowing you to make money online. And if those are topics that you want to hear more about, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos. With that being said, let me share with you a course that I believe is really good for Clickbank affiliate marketing if you're a beginner, and that is Clickbank University. I own this product, I've been through it, and I think that the training in here is really, really good. They have training whether you want to be a vendor, and it shows you exactly how to create your own product and get it on Clickbank, or if, like we're talking about, to be an affiliate for Clickbank. So what the training is, it's going to really just explain what affiliate marketing is, how to find your passion, how to create the funnel, and then how to write the perfect email follow-up series. And then they're going to teach you how to run traffic to your funnel. And I'll just warn you, there's only paid traffic that they teach in here, but that's what they find to be the most effective. And they said they only teach the things that are working for them. So there's only 3 methods in here right now. First one is Facebook advertising, then you have Instagram shoutouts, and the third one is YouTube ads, paid YouTube ads. And I'll tell you that this right here is worth every penny of what you pay for this course, which is $47 a month. And the reason why you pay monthly, which of course you can cancel at any time, is because you have the live Q&As every week with Justin and Adam. But the YouTube advertising, like I said, is worth the cost of the course alone, because this is like really great training. If you don't know, YouTube paid ads is like really, really cheap, and you can get super targeted clicks to your video. You can really connect with your target audience. So they go through exactly how to set up your YouTube channel, how to optimize it, and then how to run ads from your YouTube channel, how to create the effective ad, how to interact, use cards and annotations to interact with your audience, how to actually create the campaign, how to analyze the data, and then how to scale up. So this is a really, really effective way to promote Clickbank offers. The other things that you're going to get with it, you get is live Q&A, Clickbank University forums. So as you get in here, you're going to have some questions. So this is a place that you can go and people will answer your questions. That's really, really important as you go through a course, is that you have some support. Then you're going to have this copyright guide, market and customer research, and then this is super powerful as well, is expert interviews. So you're going to have Gary V is in here, Gary Vaynerchuk, and let's see, understanding your audience and avatar, personal growth, testing and perseverance, sticking with it. We have John Castani is in here for Internet Jet Set, and Emily Lark on Clickbank journey and successful habits and customer feedback. So this right here is really, really good training as well. So I would highly recommend this. Again, I have this course, I've been through it, and I think it's very high quality for Clickbank affiliate marketing training for beginners. And I would say I would get it if you are really serious about making some good money on Clickbank as an affiliate marketer. If you want to pick up your copy, I'm going to leave a link in the description below this video. Also, my #1 recommended resource for making money online that I use is going to be the first link in the description below this video. So if you found value from this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And again, if you're new to the channel and you want to hear more information like this, click the subscribe button. With that being said, I appreciate you guys. This is Karen Merrill signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.